Hey, it's Chris Andrus here. How's it going? I just wanted to take a quick minute and show you a really cool new plugin that I just picked up the other day called Hybrid Connect. You might have seen it. If you haven't had a chance to check it out, I want to show you exactly what it does, because if you're into list building, which you should be building a list, this plugin is going to come in very handy, and it's like one of the best plugins that I've ever seen. For WordPress to build a list. So let me go ahead and show you how I'm using it on my blog. So this is my blog. Let me go ahead and go to the back dashboard really quick and show you exactly how this plugin works and why I think it's one of the best list building plugins that I've seen so far come out for WordPress. So if you scroll down, go to Hybrid Connect, and setting it up is super easy, right? So the only thing you need to do is click the little setup tab here, and then you're going to put in your email and your license key that they send you when you get the plugin. You're going to create a Facebook app and app secret, which is very easy to do, and they explain it and actually give you a link to go right there and do it. It takes about 2 minutes. Come back, paste that information in, and then you can set up your Aweber, or I use GetResponse, but it will work with any autoresponder out there, which is pretty cool. And another awesome feature is if you're doing webinars or you use GoToWebinar or GoToMeeting, you can just put in the API key right here, and when they sign up for your list, they'll automatically be signed up for your webinar. So that's a cool feature. So let me show you exactly what this thing does. And the reason it's called Hybrid Connect is because let me show you what I got right here. I made a light box, right, which you probably seen when you came to the blog, because I believe it comes up like after 5 seconds I have it set to, or something like that. So this is the page or the opt-in form that comes up, right, and you have 3 forms, right? So this one comes up if you're not signed into Facebook. This is a normal opt-in form, right? Sign me up, you get this cool plugin, which ironically enough is also a squeeze page plugin for WordPress that I created. Anyways, if you are logged into Facebook and you visit the blog or the page that this is installed on, you'll see this easy Facebook sign up, which you can just sign up if you are connected with Facebook. Super simple. And then the third one is if you are already signed up through either of the methods, you're just going to have a one-click sign up, which is pretty cool, right? So I can't show you exactly how to do this in here because I'm doing a split test on it, but let me go ahead and make another version so I can show you a little bit of some of the features that are in here. So after you have it all set up, you just click add a new connector and then give it a name. We're going to just call this test. We're going to make it a hybrid, so you can make it a Facebook only or a normal opt-in form. I'm going to go with the hybrid. Another awesome feature is when they sign up for your list through this plugin, you can also register them to your blog by ticking this box, and they can become a subscriber, editor, author, or contributor, either one. That's totally up to you. I'm not going to do that right now. And then you just save it, right? So there it is. And then you can make a shortcode design. So basically it'll put that, you can use this shortcode it gives you and put this in any page or any post anywhere in your blog, which is super cool. You can make a widget design to go in your sidebar. I used a light box, and slide in is really cool, and it does make just a regular old squeeze page too. So let's do a light box, and let me show you exactly. This is how it comes, you know, standard, laid out like this. All of this is 100% customizable, right? So you can click on the first little tab called templates. You go to opt-in box templates, and then you can scroll through. Literally, there's like 30 or 40 of these opt-in forms, right? So you just pick one, you know, that fits the theme, or one that, you know, you think looks cool, and click on it, and that's it. It'll load it up just like that, and then you can change all of this stuff, right? So get your mobile ready website. So you can put for free, or, you know, whatever you want your headline to be. 100% configurable, optimize, or I'm sorry, 100% configurable. You can change everything, right? So you just type it in and it'll show up there, right? So if you want to change this image right here, you just come up to image, and then you can upload a different picture right here. You can change the position up or down. You can change the margin of the words, the paragraphs. You can change the image left or right, however you want, and you can also just enlarge the image as big as you want it by sliding that, right? And then you can, another cool thing you can do, right? Let me show you this real quick. Another cool thing you can do is add these little arrows, right? So let's say we wanted to put some red arrows. Bam, done, just like that. Super cool, right? And then let's see, let me fix this up real quick. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this, obviously. I'm just showing you guys, you know, what this thing does, how much time it can save just making these cool little opt-in forms, right? And then it makes all three of them for you automatically. So then once you pick your template, you can enter your text. You can customize, right? So you can change your width. You can change your height. You can change your background color. You can change everything, literally everything. This button, you can change the color, you can change the text, you can do it all, right? So then when you're done, let's say we want to keep this, you just go to settings, choose content which to display your light box, right? So what we are going to do, we are going to do a light box setting, which is my personal favorite. I also like the slide-in settings. So the lightbox settings, just activate it, and then let's see, time after page load. So we want this to come on, let's say 5 seconds after they hit the home page. So overlay, da 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 da. You can even preview it straight from here. Bam. Pretty cool, huh? This thing is so sweet. Let's see, fade duration. So display frequency, here's what we want right here. Enable cookies. So basically you're not going to bug people with this thing, you know, every single time they go to the home page. It's not going to pop on, right? So you're going to put the duration for however long. I usually do like 7 days, right? So if they come back in 7 days, they'll see it again. But if they come back, you know, every other day, they're not going to see it until that 7 days has been up. So that is super cool. And let's see, here's right here, where do you want your thing displayed? All posts, all page. So then we're going to go to save changes, and we are done. So if we visit the home page, wait 5 seconds, and then you will see it pop up. The page right here, I'll go to my blog. And there you go, just like that. That's how it works. See, obviously I'm signed into Facebook, so I'm going to get the click here to sign up button, the Facebook button, and then that's going to automatically, you log in with Facebook, and it's going to sign them up, I should say, for your list. And it's really that simple. So I think this is a really awesome plugin. I use it myself, so I highly recommend it. And I'm offering a special bonus, so if you want to take advantage of this, there's actually a sale going on right now for the next, I believe, 20 hours or so, or until tomorrow. So you can get a pretty hefty discount on this thing if you act now. So just click the link underneath this video if you want to check it out. Go to their page and take advantage of the special offer. And I'm going to throw in a bonus of anyone who gets the multi-site license or the professional version, the 2 the two higher versions, I will actually do a 30-minute Skype consultation with you to get this thing set up and running properly. And if you buy the professional version, I'll actually do an hour Skype overview consultation with you. So I'll help you get this thing set up on your blog and squared away and set up with your autoresponder and all that good stuff to make sure it is working properly before we even get off of Skype. So that's a pretty cool bonus, and you should be building a list. If you're not, there's no time better to start than right now. Start building a list in 2013 and you will be glad that you did. So just wanted to show you this quick little thing. I appreciate it, and thanks for staying with me. We'll talk soon.